Coconut.
Yes, sit on it.
Coconut. And this one. And durian. Durian. You can taste. You can taste the durian.
No, and coffee 3 and 1.
Yeah.
3 and 1.
3-in-1 coffee.
Yeah. 3 and 1.
Oh, so.
Coffee. Madam.
No, it have sugar. It have sugar. Yeah.
No sugar.
No sugar, it's black.
And Indian coffee.
So, yeah.
Indian coffee.
Durian coffee. Kita umat. Yeah.
Coffee with sweet.
Mm.
Indian coffee and sejong and
Yeah.
pet.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, durian. Yeah, durian coffee. So, good. You wanna buy durian coffee? Huh? This one, oh yeah. No durian coffee. Coconut. And have two. You okay? Two? No. This one.
I have already did.
Already did to. It's okay? Okay?
Okay? Okay.
But I buy something. Yep.
Sige, okay. You have the two.
Yeah, we buy.
Ta. Sige, ikaw pili do tayo. I all around this. You okay? It's all around this. You? Kel?
No, it's okay.
Syrup. Nakatis ka mo sa tong durian nga coffee? Ay, ariyo coconut coffee? Bakit ba? Namit. Sobrang sarap.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, sarap.
Ito?
Hindi, yung malaki yan.
Ito?
Oo.
Ano to?
Sarap. Coconut coffee.
Coconut ko.
Coconut coffee.
Less
Sis,
sugar.
try.
Less sugar.
Less sugar and
Try ka?
organic. Over there we have.
Try ka? Sarap.
Kada.
Wala bang maliit?
Doon, no?
Wala
Doon.
bang maliit
Yeah,
yan?
yeah.
Wala bang maliit?
Wala.
And mango.
Ang iguan niya sa Philippines money is 1,006.
1,000? Mahal.
Okay. Oy! May ginakaw. Ano yan? Hindi. May vlog ako. Okay. Ayun. Sa'yo na nga kumain? Ay, libre? Libre? Okay. British pala. Okay.
Madam, chị còn đi buy five get one free.
Free?
One more.
Free.
And chocolate coffee.
One free? One free? Free?
And free one, okay.
Tapos,
1, 2,
one
3,
free?
4, 5. Chị còn đi free one.
And this one free?
Cheaper
No?
and free one. 100.
106. Pero this
95.
95. Not free?
No free one.
Okay.
And same price free.
Okay. Sige. Is one free?
No.
Enough. Enough.